One of these days, the US Army really will replace its M2 Bradley fighting vehicle. Could the umpteenth time be the charm? After multiple failed attempts, the latest competition to replace the Cold War-era Bradley infantry fighting vehicle has drawn 5 contestants. The optionally manned fighting vehicle, OMFV, competition includes all of the big names in US land power, plus companies from Germany and South Korea. The Army will ultimately buy thousands of the new vehicles, which are designed to carry an infantry squad into combat. The M2 Bradley entered service in the 1980s as the first American infantry fighting vehicle, IFV, a new concept pioneered by the Soviet Union. Unlike previous infantry carriers, which dismounted their soldiers before battle, the Soviets designed their BMP-1 to carry an infantry squad throughout a battle, maintaining a unit's battlefield momentum. IFVs were equipped with a small caliber autocannon, anti-tank missiles, and heavier armor than their predecessors. The Bradley served on throughout the Cold War and beyond, first seeing combat in the 1991 Gulf War, and then the 2003 invasion of Iraq. The Army has steadily upgraded the Bradley over the past 5 decades, but the service never intended the IFV to last as long as it has. BA, General Dynamics Land Systems, Raytheon Rheinmetall, Hanwha Oshkosh, and a new company from Michigan called Metalops. The OMFV will be capable of robotic operation. Most, if not all, of the entrants will include artificial intelligence, anti-tank missiles, flying drones, and an active protection system capable of shooting down incoming rockets and missiles. The Army also wants a beefier gun than the Bradley's M242 25mm autocannon to engage more heavily armored targets at longer ranges. Here's what we know about the 4 major contestants, excluding Metalops. The KF-41 Lynx is a partnership between the US-based Raytheon and the German defense contractor Rheinmetall. The Lynx has a crew of 3 and can carry 8 soldiers in the back. That's 1 more than the M2 Bradley. In February, Rheinmetall and Allison announced a partnership to equip Lynx with what the 2 companies call a next-generation electrified transmission. Raytheon will reportedly add its Coyote airborne drone to the vehicle, giving the KF-41 eyes over the battlefield. The Lynx is armed with a Lance 2.0 turret that includes a 35mm cannon and mission pods capable of carrying anti-tank guided missiles, drones, or loitering munitions. The vehicle is equipped with a modular armor system that weighs between 37 and 55 tons, according to Breaking Defense. The system would allow the Army to deploy Lynxes with less armor to places where local bridges couldn't support the weight of a 55-ton vehicle. BA entry is a bit mysterious. The company teased out a shadowed image of its entrant on social media, which armored vehicle watchers naturally adjusted to bring out more details. The vehicle appears to be the company's Armored Multi-Purpose Vehicle, OMFV, which it designed for the US Army as a personnel carrier, mortar carrier, headquarters, and medevac vehicle. The OMFV is actually derived in large part from the M2 Bradley, leading some to call it Bradley Next Generation. The turret appears to be an Elbit UT-30 MKII unmanned turret, which makes sense as BA and Elbit announced they would work together on an OMFV last year. The turret is armed with the ATK MK.44 30mm gun, which is the same autocannon used on the M1296 Stryker Dragoon infantry combat vehicle, the Zumwalt-class destroyers, and the AC-130W Spooky airborne gunships. The turret also features a coaxial 7.62mm machine gun. The OMFV general-purpose vehicle has a crew of 2 and can carry 6 passengers. It's not clear how many passengers of OMFV variant would carry.